And Lilifu Matua Sani Hayosi. Fakal Fatima Ko. Welcome back. We're on the last day of our Wahenga on a whole new way. Everyone's just coming. Let's add Tina. So we're having our graduation today. Graduation and give some more certificates and have a feed. So hopefully today I can get some of the students to come and introduce themselves in the language, and if they're keen, and maybe say how they're going with the language. But yeah, all right. If nothing happens, then no one was interested. Okay. Yep. We'll see what happens. But this is our class. This is our language class. This is going on YouTube, so you know, just, yeah. If you don't want to be on it, oh yeah, there's Carmen, there's Amosa. Yeah. So early starters, we've got more people coming. There's our lunchroom. Yeah. This is where we eat. This is our lunchroom. We were just doing our certificates. There's the organizer, administrator. One of the Waianas.
Whakalawalahi atu koe whakahiko nei he whakakoanga ke tuwha e to certificate. Today is the last day and we're presenting their certificate. It's quite exciting.
Oh. Miss, I might just start now. Miss asking whoever wants to come in. Okay.
Now come now.
I'm gonna start now. Hey! Hey! Lily. David! More people coming. Alright, relax. Alright guys, got our first student.
What I think about the class is good when I be here. It's really calm. And how we be here every day on Saturday. I like when we here every day. That's all.
Cool, man. Thank you, Moana. Thank you. Awesome. Hopefully see you in the next class. Whakalawhatu. We've only had one person. Moana. Good on you, Moana. Show some confidence. That's how you start the Wangahau Niue. It's not about what you know. It's about you being able to say what you know when it comes to the language. Well, hopefully we get some more people. Everyone's said no. No one likes to get the camera. That's fine. We're not here to show off what we know, eh? Unlike some people. Nah. Hey, myself. But yeah, okay. That's our class. We're just setting up all these certificates.
What do we have to say again?
Oh, we got one customer. Bro, this is Amosa. Hey, Amosa. Do you want to say what you've learned, like how to introduce yourself?
Whakalawalahi atu. Motolosi ko Amosa Williams he hingoa haku. Hau au e manga. No tonga lewa. Ko Tyler Williams e motua whiwhini haku. Ko Apela Williams e motua tāne haku. Yeah.
Oh. But if you guys didn't know, Amosa may look Niuean, but he's from Rarotonga. So shout out to, tell us bro, why are you learning the language, brother?
I'm learning it basically for my kids, and I've always wanted to learn Niuean, and also to speak it with my father-in-law, you know, when he's around his family. So yeah, I've always wanted to learn it since my wife and I had been together, so
Yeah. Have you guys been picking it up a bit better now that you've been here?
Since the UN class, yes.
Oh, nice.
I hear some of the phrases that we have learned in class. My father-in-law use.
Yeah.
And it's made it a bit more easy, a little bit more easier.
Nice. Yeah. If you could give any tips for people wanting to learn, what would you say?
Do it. There's no better time than the present.
Yeah.
And you won't know unless you just give it a go, to be honest. Yeah, so yeah, it's been good, it's been fun. To learn another language outside than knowing my own.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man, thanks man. Wish you all the best on your newer journey.
Oh man, I'll be back next time.
Oh nice.
The next time.
There you go. Alright. That's more honours, Dad, if you didn't know.
Whakalofa atu, I ngā haku o Christian Punapatolo ke Eric, mā ngā haku po Molofi, na mutua haku o Malumu Stephen, hei, whakawelahi. My name is Christian. Haku po Molofi, I'm Niuean obviously. Mum and Dad is Mali and Steve, but I've been asked to give you a bit of feedback on the course, and I thought the course so far has been awesome. This is not the end though, this is not the end. Hopefully there's a step 2, so if any of the takitakis are hearing this, hopefully there's a part 2. I would like to come to a part 2. It's great to come out here on a Saturday morning and just get those mental juices flowing, speaking our native language, native tongue, which is Niuean. I was asked last night, I was at a concert last night, I was asked last night, hey, you know, how's the Niuean language? And I said, yeah, it's good. Could be better. So by coming to courses like this helps to not only grow our culture but also grow us as people and keep us connected, bonded to the island, which is Niue. So yes, hopefully, if any of you are watching, hopefully we'll see you at the next class. Actually, I do have some other people. I'll talk to you about this after. Right, whakawelahi, heia, tonu kia. Hey.
Alright brothers, we've got another student here. I'm going to introduce you to Luca.
Whakalopale here too, ko Luca Hingoa Haku. I've been coming for the past few weeks to the Niuean class. I'm English originally, but my partner's Niuean and I wanted to learn to connect with her and her family, and it's been awesome even though I had very little knowledge beforehand. It was a really good level and it was a really helpful class, really friendly to come in, and yeah, I've learned a lot.
Any advice for other people going to learn the newer language, bro?
Don't be afraid to give it a try. Like, I didn't grow up with it, I wasn't around it from a young age, but I still was able to get a grasp of a few things, and I always felt like I could come and give it a try without feeling silly or embarrassed, and it's a great learning environment with people of a range of abilities, but I felt like I fit in and was able to pick up on stuff. It was a good foundation, and I'd probably come back in future as well to try and polish up.
Cool man, alright. Thanks brother.
Good.
Sweet man.
Anything else?
Yeah, whoa.
When you go, take some oranges. Kapano akoe si uta taha fua moli. Alright?
Really Mofetin Matodan. Not me. No, Annabelle. No. What is
Want to say anything, Sonny? Oh, good.
I've just been told now that the class is done. We are at the point of doing the graduation ceremony. So just before we start, we just as a group, we want to congratulate you all on doing 7 weeks. Some of you 2 weeks, Marissa. But the rest of you 7 weeks. How confident are you in saying the basics now? Eh? Yes, nakai, no. Awesome. And that's all you really need to know. Just the basics. Okay, you don't need to go miles ahead, but once you've got the basics, you can build on that moving forward. Okay, so just before we give out, before I ask our matuas and Taki John to give the certificates out, I just want to acknowledge our matuas as well, Taki for the group. So Matua Tina, thank you very much. Matua Mali, thank you very much. Taki John, whakawelahi. And also our Matua for the group, Matua Sani, thank you very much. We can get the...
Hang on.
Yes.
And Matua, Miss Anne Marie here.
So this is for Annabelle Hayosi.
Oh, wait, shit. Over there? And then I'll take a photo. Come and do the photo. Nice.
Well done, Annabelle.
Angeline Hayosi.
The same thing, man. Well done. Yeah, Hannah, mate.
Is there my grandpa?
Yeah.
Mr. Cook Islands, Amasa William.
Oh, cao lọc phải. Dạ, hàng mấy, hàng mấy.
Come đây. New bodybuilder.
Dạ.
Mr. Sunny Thai.
I don't know what's happening.
Yeah, yeah.
You came.
Yeah, Sunny. Sunny over there? Yeah, yeah, over there, over there.
Come, Sunny, come.
Smile, Sunny. Choo-hoo! Taklahi.
Our young man all the way from Hakuwolofi, Christian Eric.
Yeah, hàng các bạn.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Order the Mikey. Order the Mikey inside. Move inside. Yeah.
I'm on the side. I'm on the side.
Yeah. How much? Nice.
And Miss Carissa Thai.
How much? Yeah.
And the beautiful Elizabeth Williams.
Yeah. Wow. Pretty. Look, look. Nice.
And our beautiful Matua Sunny Hayosi.
Yeah, hàng ơi.
Come on, look at the camera. Now for the new way goes to David Jones. Yay!
Turn this way. Turn this way, Rita. Rita, turn this way. John, come stand. Yeah. Nice.
Well, goes to Anna Jones. Derek.
Get this water a minute. Okay. Turn around, turn around. Is Lily gone home? Is Lily gone home? Yeah.
Lily does have one. Lily. David coming over here.
Yeah, yeah.
And goes to Mrs. or Miss Moana Williams.
Good, yay.
Moana can be a man or a woman or yes, a boy. Wow.
Yeah, turn around, Moana. Miss it. Yeah, Moana, look up. Look up. Nice.
This one goes to Carmen.
Come on.
Oh, Carmen! Congratulations! I'd love to know about your background history.
Yeah.
Carmen?
Yeah, look. Look up. Nice.
The next one goes to Victoria Cowley. The name of Eden Monomite. What a lovely name.
Yeah. Turn around.
Congratulations.
Yeah, look up, Mavita. Look. Yeah.
Goes to Dr. Nisa. Ooh, awesome! Very nice. Yeah? This is a different one.
Yeah!
Go ahead.
Làm nó biết gì à?
Oh! Yeah. Okay, I'm going to be somebody.
Yeah. Sorry.
Smile.
Yeah, smile. Yeah.
Elisha or Delisha?
Delisha.
Delisha Williams. Congratulations, girl, Delisha. Congratulations. They're beautiful names.
Yeah. Turn round. Smile. Look, David, look. Stand straight. Yeah, Hannah, Mike.
And this one goes to Luca Boy. Handsome Luca Boy. Is this how you spell your name?
Yeah, look, it's fine.
Really? Come to the middle. Yeah.
Yeah, but
Good.
Look,
Smile.
Smile.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, another beautiful name. Morgan?
One.
Say it.
Yeah. One, put your hood down. One.
It's
Put
okay,
your hood.
it's okay.
Put your hood. Good boy.
But I eat it.
Yeah, yeah. Hang on, right. One, look up. Nice.
Another one to Flora.
Whoa. Yeah, turn around. Give my tea. Flora, look up. Yeah.
Well done. Trees, boy,
Nice one, Ray.
Tree. Wow. It's a what's the name?
Yeah. Wait, Roy, yeah. Thank you.
This one goes to Susanna and Maya.
Yeah, hang on, mate. Turn around. Yeah, Sama, hang on, mate. Yeah. Yes.
Everybody's got some. So this last certificate is for somebody very special, and it's in recognition of teaching the 7-week course, which is 14 hours in conversational Whangahaunui, and that one goes to John Eric.
Yeah.
Don't forget to follow him on TikTok.
YouTube and TikTok. Thank you. So we've got a couple of certificates here. I'll just give them to the families, but just so we're clear, the people who came for 7 days, you've got a 7-day certificate. The people who came for 2, you've got a 2-day certificate, okay?
Alright, and that's it, guys. Just some last ending words from the administrator, Takitaki. How it went.
Whakalofalahi atu. Ringo e tāu katoa macho.
Ko haia koe. Ko hingo e ngā hua hao mō
Okay.
whiwhi.
Whakalofalahi atu, ko hingo haku, ko Anne-Marie, Eric, Jeremiah. Ko o koe patu polu si he matukau nei. Se whakau e ni ke motolu e tau tama whakaako ne o mai ke whakaako ke Whangahaunui. Tō lahi mitaki e tau lalianga mo tau lali ke o mai ke kauoloa ke whakaako e Whangahau hātau tolu. Whiawhia lahi ha koe hau whakahanga e tonu mela he wahenga hātau tolu. I think koe wahenga ke whā ke wahenga he tau nei. Si whiawhia lahi ha koe whalua mo tolu koe liu mai he tau nei ke whakaako e Wangahau. Si long e tau tangata whou he wahenga hātau tolu, si whiawhia lahi. Whakawai lahi ke tau takitaki, ko koe ma John, matua Tina, mo Mam, matua Mali, pehia whoki mo matua Sunny Haiosi, ne whahau aia ke langmatei whoki mo e wahenga hātau tolu. Koe Ostue e wahenga hātau tolu, si whiawhia lahi ha koe meke te tau whanau whakaako, tau tam whakaako ke whakaonga tau kupu ne manako ke loa. Tunga tau whakawheleweanga, mo tau matutakianga, tau
Yeah, si whiwhia e kau. Tau nei whiwhia lahi e kau ke tau kōli whoki ne tau sia koe ma John. Koe whiwhia lahi e kau ke kōli ama e unga. Si fuluola lahi si ore te kau ke liu whoki e wahenga hato tōru he tau nei kai lenga matutaki ni ke tau se taha mene ke latu moe the Niue Language Week. Kai toki sia. Kai whakawai lahi ke matorosi ni e matutaki mai ke wahenga hata tōru tō kupu whakaosi ke lali tū mau, ua mā, ua tupe ke whakaonga e wangahau. Pesini koe hepe po ke hako. Lali tū mau ke whakaonga e wangahau niwe ke tō kaina. E tō mga whaoa, mo e tō aho osi. Se haia, koe whakamawhana atu ni ke motorosi. Keep going. Whakaonga tū mau e wangahau niwe. And what else? Tō matutaki. Haia, o nene aho, whakaoe lahi.
Whakaoe.